Coming on to now art and culture. In art and culture, what I did was I actually ensured that all the that during the prelims stage itself, and even after that, I was making notes of all the poets, travelers, and the books which come into news and all the other things. So, like in any answer, you can quote that when Wayne Sang said this thing, or when that Fahin said this thing. So that actually adds a lot of weightage in your answer when you say that this traveler wrote in his book this thing. He or she might not have specifically said that thing, but you just mentioning it there actually increases the gravity of your answer, that you are not only able to recall that traveler in your answer, but also you are able to bring some innovative thing which others might be missing out. So that is one thing which helped me. Apart from that, in art and culture also, if you analyze the themes, PYQ themes, you will find that you can questions are on the similar line, that what was the socio-economic life of that time, that the Pallava art and architecture reflects the life of that time. So these type of question will come.